I'm really looking to ramp back up my real estate business. And what I'm realizing already is that it's going to be a hell of a lot harder than I remember it being when I first started back in 2016. And really, like, I actually use this analogy a lot. When you look at champions, and let's just say the UFC, as they're transcending the sport and they're rising to the top, there's nothing that's really too hard that they can't overcome, because the goal of becoming a champion far outweighs whatever the struggle and the pain it takes to get there. And then once they get there, it's one of those things where it's like, okay, I'm here. But when you take the first loss, when you get taken down from that position, getting back to that championship level again, it's like you have so much more insight on the pain that it takes to get there, that it's almost like you're like, okay, I know what it takes to get there. And it's like your brain is telling you it's probably too much to go through again. That's why like champions like Ronda Rousey and Conor McGregor, like they have such a hard time getting back into a position where they're a champion again. It's because like they just have so much knowledge about what it takes to get there. And it's not as like the honeymoon phase is over, right? Like there's the unknown is now known. And so, you can't use like the ignorance is bliss to get you through a lot of the things. And that's what I'm experiencing, while I'm sitting in my new office here for Anchored Homes. It's like, man, I've got so many lessons that I've learned from 2016, 17, 18, 19, that it's like, as I'm going to make a decision in my business, like the failures that I experienced are weighing heavily on my decision to move forward.